Creating and using packages. Creating a package in Python involves organizing related modules in a directory and adding a __init__.py file to indicate that it is a package. We can then import modules from the package using the dot notation. For example, if we have a package named myPackage with a module named module1, we can import it using the statement import mypackage.module1. To use a function or variable defined in a module within a package, we can use the dot notation. For example, if we have a function named my_function in module1, we can use it as mypackage.module1.my_function. This helps in avoiding naming conflicts and provides a clear way to access code within packages.